Good morning, children. How are you all today? I hope you all are doing well, right? Yes. So today, what we are going to learn, do you know? Yes. So today, we are going to learn about English subject. So children, tell me, till now, you have learned up to which letter? Yes, from A to N letter you have learned. And today we are going to learn letter O. Okay, letter O. But before we learn that letter, we will revise all the letters from A to N. Okay, with the sound we are going to revise A to N. This is letter A. Can you all see here? Yes, capital A, small a. So sound of A is A. Then after A, B comes. Capital B, small b. Sound of B is B. Then after B, C comes. Capital C, small c. Sound of C is K. Then after C, D comes. Capital D, small d. Sound of D is D. D. After D, the letter comes E. Sound of E is E. Then after E, F comes. Sound of F is F. Then after F, G comes. Sound of G is G. Then after G comes H. Sound of H is H. Sound of H is H. After H, the letter comes I. Sound of I is I. I. Then after I, J comes. The sound of J is J. J. Then after J, the letter comes K. The sound of K is K. Sound of K is K. Then after K, the letter comes L. Sound of L is L. Sound of L is L. After L, which letter comes? Letter M. You are absolutely right, children. And do you know the sound of M? Yes, absolutely right. The sound of M is Sound of M is Then after M, you have learned letter N. So sound of N is Sound of N is Now, after N, which letter comes? That we are going to learn today. Yes, after N, the letter comes O. Can you see here? Capital O. Yes, and today we are going to learn capital O. Okay? And now, can you tell me what is the sound of O? Do you know the sound of O? Yes, the sound of O is O. Sound of O is O. Let's see the objects starts with letter O. Okay? Sound of O is O. 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 Oil. O says O. 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 Oil. O says O. 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 Orange. O says O. 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 Orange. O says O. 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 Ostrich. O says O. 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 Ostrich. Then the last one is O says O. 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 Ox. So, which objects we have seen here? Oil, orange, ostrich, ox. Let's see few more objects. What is this, children? Yes, this is onion. O says O, as in onion. O says O, as in owl. Let's see what comes next. O says O, as in octopus. O says O, as in omelette. I know you love omelette, right? Now let's listen to the song of letter O.
The sound for O is O. 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 Here is the song for O.
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh.
So children, are you all ready with your book number 4? Yes, you have to open page number 30. Okay? So, have you all opened page number 30? Yes. So, we will sing this song of O. Okay? O. Which letter is this? O. Omni, the obedient ostrich. This ostrich has the name Omni. Okay? Omni, the obedient ostrich, eats oranges all day long, while Olive the otter sings a sweet song. Omni runs very fast, but Oslo the ox is always last. Oh wow, what a nice song. Now we will move to page number 31. Can you see here the page number is written? Yes. So now we all will read aloud together. O says O, otter. O says O, orange. O says O, ostrich. O says O, ox. Now let's see how to write letter O. Okay? I will show you how to write capital O. So children, I will show you how to write letter O on the slate first. Okay? So this is my slate. Okay? And O. Okay? Yes. So how to write? You just have to draw like a circle. Yes, this is capital O. Now let's see how to write in 4 lines. Okay? It is very simple. You have to start from this first red line and then you have to come down till second blue line. Okay? That O should touch the second blue line. Okay? Yes. O. Okay? I'll show you once again. Yes. O. Okay? Then O. Okay? This is capital O. Now let's write in your book. Okay? Now turn the page and open page number 32. And from this page, we all are going to solve this exercise. Okay? I will read out the question. Look at the pictures. Tick the olives with capital O and cross the olives with small o. Okay? So, what are we supposed to do here? We have to tick that olives which are having capital O on them, and the remaining olives which are having small o, that we have to cross it. Okay? So we will put a tick mark in the respective box. Okay? So the first one is capital O or small o? Yes, it is capital O. So we have to tick it. Okay? Yes. Write tick in the box. Then next is Small O, you are correct. So we have to put cross mark. Okay. Then next is again capital O. Yes, so we have to take it. Then next, can you see whether it is capital O or small o? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is capital O. So what we have to do? We have to take it. Then next is small o, right? So we have to put a cross mark in the box. Then next is again small o. Yes, so we have to put a cross mark. Then what is this? Yes, capital O. So we have to put tick mark in the box. And the last one is small o. So again we have to put a cross mark. Now we will move to page number 33. So what we have to do here? Trace the letter and color the picture. So here is letter O. We have to trace it first, and which object it is? Yes, this is one fruit and this is orange. So we have to color it. Okay. So first of all we will trace this. Okay. See the direction the arrow is given. You have to trace accordingly. Okay. Yes. O. Capital O. Now let's color this orange with orange crayon. So my orange is ready. Can you see here? Yes. So you have to color like this. Okay. You should not cross these border lines. Okay. Yes. You have to color within. Now we will move ahead. Trace and write. So what we have to do here? We have to write O. Okay. Yes. So how to write? Start from the first red line and again touch to the first red line. Okay. Start from the first red line, come down, touch to the second blue line, and again go up and touch to the first red line. Okay. Yes, it is very simple. Okay. Right open curve, left open curve together. Okay. Yes, capital O, capital O. Okay. Now we have done with the tracing. So yes, we have to follow this pattern. Yes. Capital O, capital O, capital O, capital O. Yes, how to write? Hold the pencil properly. Yes, in this way we have done with the second row. Now we are remaining with the last row. Yes. Capital O, capital O, capital O, capital O, capital O. And in this way we have done with our exercise. So children, it's time to say bye for now. See you in the next video.